Hey guys, welcome to Food Treasure. Today we are going to make sago pudding, which is a very popular recipe, and it's really simple dessert. We can make it at home with the ingredients. Let's begin with the ingredients. So on the ingredients we have 100 gram of sago, which is also called sabudana in some places. I got like one whole mango. I cut it like in two parts. I got some slices, a small slice, and then the diced one, the big dice for the garnish as well, and 2 teaspoons of white sugar. I got 400 ml of coconut cream, and I'll be using some vanilla essence for this too. So I got some water in the pot, so we are going to boil this sago. We're going to boil this one for like 10 to 12 minutes until it start getting the transparent color. So as it's been 12 minutes already, so you can see this is lightly the color still there. So we are going to drain this one and then wash it with the cold water. So we are washing with the cold water. We should take out all this starch. So we got our the pot on heat. We got the 400 ml of cream. It's just boiling through. As you can see, so this is in boiling. So we are about to put the sugar. And I got like 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. And we got our sago. And we got our mango, the thinly sliced one. And we're still saving the end of the mango for the garnish. We're just going to let it boil. As you can see, this is getting thicker. So we're about to turn off our gas and set aside. So we got our desserts glass. So we get a scoop of it. Just put in the glass and set aside to cool down. So our dessert is ready, so we are going to finish with our garnish, which is the mango itself. And got a little mint to finish up.